If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Welcome back. This is JRE from the YouTube channel JREKML. We're about to check out Felix Unfair. I know there's a lot of other music videos from the Stray Kids solos, but we're here checking out Felix Unfair. It's pretty sad. I don't know. I already checked out the whole album. I did record it, but it's not up. If anything, it would be up on my Patreon, so be sure to check out my Patreon if you haven't already. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube, and if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to, so be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. But without further ado, I see him, he has wings, and oh god, am I about to be sad? I probably am. Felix Unfair, Stray Kids. We get to see a physical representation of this song in 3, 2, 1. He's underwater. Like a fallen angel? My boy looking like an angel though, to be honest. Oh, it's like Sephiroth, almost.
My life is so unfair. Everyone sees me as if I'm the beast out there. My dreams become nightmares.
Oh.
Please give me a break right now. I wanna just be myself. No one can truly see the human inside me. Ever since you came into my life, you told me all about unconditional love. I think about.
So it's based off Beauty and the Beast, right? If I'm not mistaken, chat. Oh my god. First of all, I was gonna say them boots are kind of crazy. I know they're supposed to be like we're supposed to be like sad and stuff, and I am. But dang, them stompers, bro. How much are those? Anyways, let's stop. Let's
I wanna just be myself. No one can truly see.
yeah, that horse is pretty badass. What if it's actually in Korea or something?
My life is so unfair. I'm still left in despair. Just when I thought that God had answered my whole prayer. After I let you go and saw you out the door.
He does look like a prince though, I'm not gonna lie. Whoa. Ooh.
My life is unfair. The one and only woman I love left me unprepared. I'm staring down at my own pedals, falling one by one. I'm piece by piece. I can't feel any peace in my heart.
Ooh, damn.
I can say, I can wait while I take all this pain. From guess how I feel with nothing but hate. I guess this is where I'm gonna die in the rain. If I saw you one last time, I could change my fate.
Whoa. Okay. Bro, okay, so I was getting into it like the whole lyrics. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just a visual learner more than just like hearing the music sometimes too. But like with the freaking visual of like the cuts right here, it just the lyrics even hit even harder, right? You know, he's the one that he's songwriting in the lyrical bag. Yeah. But what I was gonna make the point like. Right here. Ooh. When I take all this pain from Gaston, but filled it with nothing but hate. But this right here, okay, so listen. The visuals on this man is crazy. I just want to say that, like, first the lyrics, sad as hell. He's in his lyrical bag. The freaking shots that they did and the cuts in his music video, fire. But oh my god, I got chills when I saw him with his like the edited blue eye, the all white and black. Oh my god. I guess this is where I'm gonna die in the rain. If I saw you one last time, I could change my fate. Right here? Oh my god. Alright, let's stop. Let's continue. Hey man, who broke your heart, bro?
know during my fight, everything was dark when I lost sight. Till you came in just calling out my name, and the rain you saved me from falling. But before my life was so unfair, until I met
Okay,
you, babe.
special effects with the wings.
Break my heart, you worked me from this spell. As long as I'm with you now, I'm feeling my true self. Tale as old as time, song as old as rhyme.
Whoa. Shout out to the editing department too. Nice. Wow. Unfair. Yo, who is this about, chat? Who is this about? Do y'all know? Do y'all know who this is about? Do we know? Does anybody know? The ending hurt me because it's the same part where the beast dies. Yeah, that's true. Spoiler alert, first of all. We don't know if people watch Beauty and the Beast. I'm playing. I don't know. I don't think we'll ever know. It's just his way. I love it when artists just listen. As an artist, you have to overshare. You don't have to overshare, but it's just like it's a way to release. So whatever he was going through, hopefully this helped him release in his art. Because it is very sad. And obviously as a fan and just a person that cares, I would love to know like to be there and help him, right? It's the beauty of art. Part of being an artist in staying in true with what you're feeling and the moments. Yeah, they really do. They really do. I feel like that's what Felix did in general too. Because it is tough. It is tough to write about like a type of heartbreak or like to compare something that's sad to your life and to write it down and make it into like a masterpiece or art. But sometimes that's the best way of healing too. So hopefully you are healing, Felix, whatever you're going through. And thank you for expressing it through your art form, which is what we're watching right now. Anyways, yeah, put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre from the YouTube channel JREAMERS. We're live on Twitch, as you can see. If you see some of the chat, say hi, everybody. But yeah, thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, y'all. Bye-bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.